What's up, you guys? Happy Friday. I'm very tanned right now because I tanned last night in my amazing at-home tanning booth. But I didn't record yesterday. I was extremely busy. I've been really busy just getting back in the groove with everything, and I was actually extremely tired too. Like, my body just felt so exhausted. I think it has to do with the work that I had done to me on Thursday. A lot of you want to know how my cupping is helping and the actual benefits, if I feel any. Yesterday in the gym, I felt really like extra pumped, more than normal. Also, my arms were a lot more vascular, and I feel it's because a lot of my blood was released, and it's just going through my body more healthy and more smoothly. My blood flow is like a lot better, so I do definitely feel the benefits. It's still really tender to the touch. This lady was a savage, and she just really got into the muscles, which I appreciated because my body needed it so much. But I feel like it had to do with me being really tired yesterday. Shannon said it's really normal to feel like really tired the next few days after. And so that, and then I also started my period yesterday. So anyway, I got through my workout. I was just so tired yesterday. That's why I didn't film. I did chest and tries. This morning I have leg day, my second leg day, which I'm not looking forward to. I'm on my period, I feel tired, but it has to be done, so I don't really have a choice. I'm going to Vegas this weekend as well, and so I kind of wanted to show you guys how I'm going to prep while in Vegas. Yes, it can be done. Anything can be done if you put your mind to it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prep, how I travel, and all of like the tips and stuff I've learned over the years prepping and traveling. It's my best friend's birthday, Genevieve, so it's gonna be a really good time. I'm excited. I get to wear these at the pool party, but I'm flying in tomorrow morning. My mom's gonna come watch the house, watch Charlie, and she's gonna drop me off at the airport, and then I come back on Monday. So hopefully I'll get some of Vegas clips for you. And I'm not drinking, so that's gonna be different. Definitely a huge challenge for me. Not drinking on this prep so far. You guys know that I love wine, I love going out and hanging out with friends, but alcohol is probably my biggest obstacle when it comes to prepping and giving it up, and giving up like really kind of going out. So I'm trying to find a balance with it all. So that's why I said, yes, I'll come to Vegas, of course, it's your birthday, but I am not drinking. And this is gonna be a huge challenge for me, but I'm up for the challenge. I'm super focused right now. And yeah, so I'll show you guys what I'm prepping right now, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a heads up on what I'm doing this weekend. I leave tomorrow morning, so I have a lot to do today, and leg day, and I'm on my period. Oh, glorious Friday. So I am marinating chicken, and I'm going to marinate it with the liquid aminos. I did this last time with my chicken, and it turned out really good. And then I also used garlic, salt, and pepper. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I will have my tripod today to film my leg workout, which I'm gonna get tortured. I did have my breakfast as well already, but you guys know what I have for breakfast. It's the same thing every morning.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another workout. Today I am doing legs. I do legs every Monday and every Friday. Monday being the heavier quad day, just quad focused, a lot more reps and the hamstrings. And then on Fridays, we don't do as hard of a leg workout. It's more focused on glutes and just really getting a good pump. So I'm starting off with the hip abductors. I'm doing 20 reps, and then I'm going into a band squat for 10, and then I'll walk 10 steps. Side lunge, do 10 squats again, and then walk back 10 steps and do 10 squats again. This is a really good warm-up. I normally change my warm-ups for my leg workouts, but I really like using the band because it really gets the blood flow in there. You could feel the burn. When you're feeling the burn, you're really forcing that blood to go to that muscle. So using the band is something that I never did before, but I have been implementing it a lot more now. You can see those hammies coming through, finally. And as I get closer to my show, I will definitely be leaning out more and you guys will be able to see those hamstrings more. That is one of my biggest goals during this prep. So I am going into 15 wide stance Smith machine squats, and I am pointing my toes a little bit out. This is considered a sumo squat. And then I am going for another 15 reps with my feet close together. You see, I'm not going all the way down. I'm going down to where I really feel that stretch and then coming right back up. These are a superset, but they are no joke. They seriously burn the crap out of my legs, really, really pushing that blood into that muscle. So now I am doing Supermans. This is a little bit more of an advanced move. I have a little bit more weight on here now, the fact that I've done these a few times. So if you guys are trying these, make sure that you guys have somebody spotting you or you start with really low weight because this is more of an advanced move for sure. So if you feel really awkward doing it the first time, that's completely normal. You will get better as you go. The first time I couldn't even really throw the leg part up. Shannon was helping me with that. And remember, I am doing everything for 4 sets. I try to tell you guys on the voiceover what I'm doing as far as reps. They do change. From the Supermans, I did 15 reps there, and I went directly into a dumbbell sumo squat. So I am a lot more wide with my feet, with my toes pointed out. I am making sure that I'm coming all the way down, touching and coming right back up. And I do this one for 20 reps. And that's also going to be for 4 sets. And I am finishing off with leg extensions. I'm doing a single leg extension. And I'm doing 10 on one leg, 10 on the other leg, and then 10 with both legs. I do tend to finish with extensions. I think they are honestly one of the best exercises for your quads that you can do. I normally put this in both of my leg days, well, Shannon does, and to finish the workout, it really burns. So if you guys don't feel like you guys are really burning out on your even your glute workouts or your quad workouts, whatever your leg day's focused on, if you guys end with some extensions, you guys will definitely burn out. On leg days, I also finish with 30 minutes of incline walk, starting at a 4 incline and moving up 1.0 incline for the 30 minutes all the way up to 15 and down. Hope you guys enjoyed that workout, and I'll talk to you on the next one. So awesome leg workout with Shannon. The workout actually got my mind off cramps. I'm gonna run in the store real quick, get some turkey, a measuring cup, and some potatoes so I can start prepping for Vegas. When you're looking for brown rice, and the 25-pound bag is 15 bucks, and the 50-pound bag is 20 bucks, what do you do? To carry this up 3 flights of stairs, yay. So I'm actually getting 3 different types. And then I'm getting red potatoes, and I'm getting these pop chips. And I don't know if I'm going to eat those, but I'm going to get them just to have in the house. Turkey. This big thing of brown rice. And then I'm getting a travel size almond butter. And then I'm also getting these for... So I'm going to have my post-workout meal. Rice and chicken, and then I'm also gonna do a guac pack.
roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Okay, so that took me like all day, but whatever, had to be done. No excuses. Weighed, measured, everything. So this is everything. All my meals for 3 days. And I have nuts, protein powder, BCAAs, and stuff in this bag. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. I'm eating breakfast and then I'm heading to the airport in a few hours. I just did fasted cardio. I normally don't do fasted cardio, but if I'm traveling early, I'll get up and do cardio and then I'll eat breakfast. So this morning was my first fasted cardio and I drank my BCAAs while I was doing cardio. I did 30 minutes of incline treadmill. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating. Same old, same old. Egg whites, oats, sups, green drink. What's up, guys? Happy Sunday from Caesar's Palace. I was admiring everybody up at 9 o'clock because I'm lagging on my day so far. But I went out to meet Genevieve last night. We played a little bit of blackjack. I won like 200 bucks. And then I came back to my hotel about 2 a.m. And now I'm going to have breakfast, go down to work out, and get some coffee at Starbucks, and then we are going to liquid pool party today. So I'll kind of show you guys a little bit behind the scenes. I also went and watched the O show last night and I was running late, so that's why I did not grab my camera. I didn't vlog, but I'll be doing some vlogging today. But I kind of want to show you guys my food because I know you guys always want to see what I'm doing with my food, how I'm keeping it cold and stuff like that. So in the Caesars, you cannot move stuff in the fridge or else they will charge you. So, good thing I brought my handy dandy little $20 Titan freeze cooler from Costco. But I'm keeping it cold with ice. I'm gonna put more ice in here. And I also still have this that's getting cold. And I have my protein pancakes in there that I cooked and ready to eat because it's hard to cook egg whites on the go. If you find a microwave, maybe you can get it done that way, but these are super easy. I just used plant-based chocolate protein and egg whites. And then I'm gonna go downstairs, still some hot water from Starbucks to make my oatmeal and have some oats. So stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the gym exactly. Today is my day off, but I'm still gonna go down there and do something, probably a little bit of cardio, and probably some abs or something. We'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and that's it for now. So having my green drink. Yes. So I got my black coffee with coconut milk and sugar-free vanilla pumps. And then my oatmeal that I brought from home, a half cup, got hot water at Starbucks and put cinnamon in here and water.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
So I'm having my guac, bda's, water, and then I had turkey balls, and now I'm eating my rice. And watching this view.
This is kind of like when lights come on as a club.
Yeah, it's like, well, I just go fuck myself now. Sorry, that's really, that wasn't aggressive.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. Last night I went out for Genevieve's birthday. We had dinner and then we went to Hakkasan Club. Didn't get back till really late, like around 4 or 5 in the morning. And I am tired. So I wanted to come down here and hit a workout. And I don't leave until about 7 p.m. tonight. Just wanted to kind of explore Vegas, eat the buffet this morning. And I wanted to ride this ride that I've been wanting to ride, like one of the only rides I haven't ridden in Vegas. So gonna just explore today, and that's about it. So I didn't record last night because it's kind of hard for me to bring my camera in clubs. They're pretty strict about everything, so I didn't bring the camera out. But with that being said, I am having my black coffee with coconut and sugar-free vanilla pumps. And I'm also having a turkey, reduced turkey, egg white breakfast sandwich. I'm not eating my food that I packed. I'm actually just gonna eat this because a warm sandwich sounds really good and it's extremely healthy. But I'm looking forward to the buffet, and I'm gonna hit some shoulders and triceps today. That's like my least, I'd say that's like my least area that I'm working on, so I want to make sure that I'm actually training with Shannon the other days this week. So I will show you guys some clips of what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of cardio, and I might hit the spa here. So you guys already know what I get at these buffets. Yes.